Now, this next song, though, I do kind of send out to the ladies, especially the ones with the big bottoms. Who likes big butts here? Anybody? I'm a fan. But since I'm kind of parched, it's hot, I'm gonna take a drink. We're gonna do this for you. Okay, first thing, I need more movement! We're here to make you guys warm for Ageman Central because, sorry, chapstick, it's not herpes. Seriously.